Hi dearies, let's unbox the items, the gifts I got for myself for the month of February. This year, I decided that I'm going to gift myself every month. I gifted myself in January, but I didn't do an unboxing video. I already unboxed everything before I remembered what I said in December 31st. But this month, the month of February, and this is to mark love to myself. I also got some other things for myself, and I'm going to be doing this all through the year 2026. The aim is to show myself love intentionally, and this includes gifting myself, buying things for myself. As a mom, you can easily forget to shop for yourself. So number one on my list, this top I'm wearing is one of those things I got, and I also got this red top. This is in honor of Valentine. I like this top so much. So this is how the top looks like. I've not worn it, but and also this pink top. I also got this makeup palette. This makeup palette contains a lot of different colors of blush. This is eyeshadow. This is bronzer. Bronzer, they call it highlighter. This is blush, like different shade of blush, and this is also contour. This is for contour. Can you say this is like a all-in-one makeup palette? And I'm so excited. I can't wait to start wearing this. I've not worn makeup for over since I started giving birth. That should be around I think 3 years now. So I want to reactivate that. That's one of my goals for the year 2026. So now, next on my list is this air. I'm going to save it for the last. So let's unbox. God, this is one of my best purchase for the month of February 2026. So can you guess what we have inside this place? This is my jewelry box. Can you see how they package it very well? This is what it looks like. This is so pretty. So I got it from China. It also has this compartment. Can you see? So beautiful. This place for your wristwatches, this place for your necklaces, your earrings, your rings. Can you see that? This is so beautiful. And yeah, this looks so chic. I love it. Now let's unbox my hair. So this hair is one of my favorite purchases. Let's check it. It's a bouncy unit. SDD bouncing. Can you see? It dey bounce. It dey bounce. Let me wear it and show you guys. It dey bounce too. It dey bounce. Ah! Woo! Let me put it on. Let me put it on. When I put this air on my head, it's finished for you guys. It's finished. Focus. Woo! Can I hear you say beautiful? Can I hear you say beautiful? Hey! This is beauty at first sight. I mean, what they used to call it. Love at first sight. Yeah. I see. They bounce so. Hey. Omo. This hair is so beautiful. So I got this hair from China by myself. Last but not the least, my research. I got this research for myself. Whew. Take a look at that. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Let me take this off. So I got all of this to show myself love for the month of February. If nobody is going to give me the word, I'm gonna get it myself. And that is the spirit, baby. See you in my next video. Ooh. Hey.